Good morning, boys and girls. This is English Week 5, Day 5, Thursday, 7th of May. It's the end of unit revision. Your to-do list for this session is to refer back to the book or Week 5 of English PowerPoint presentations to recap. Go through the PowerPoint, complete your assignments, and then have some online fun. Learning objective is to revise Unit 16. The resources you're going to need for this session is your Nelson textbook, Unit 16, pages from 126 to 132. Your notebook, your laptop, and a scanner. Alright, this unit was mainly about advertisements. The comprehension itself was an advertisement, and the writing task was an advertisement. Let's take another look at it. How does an advertisement help to sell a product or service? It helps to aim the advert at a particular type of customer. It sends a positive message about the product or service. It makes it appeal to the reader's personality. Its purpose is to sell to people. Focus on the words written in red. What types of things should an advert make the reader believe that they will be if they use the product? Well, they should believe that they would be happier, more intelligent, successful, better looking, cool, more comfortable, fashionable, less stressed, unique and special, or healthier. Appealing language. Here are a few examples of some terms used in adverts. Healthier, free, exclusive, special offer, number 1, new, improved. Can you think of more? What types of things do adverts promise you? Well, they promise to solve all your problems. This product will change your life. You won't find a better product. All the cool people are buying it. You will be too. You'll be happy if you buy this product. You will miss out in life without it. How do adverts catch your attention and stick in your memory? They focus on a sense. They use humor to make you like them. Use positive comments made by other customers. They ask questions to hook you in. They use alliteration, rhyme, and wordplay to come up with catchy slogans. Now, let's look at this advertisement. Super Munch, the healthy way to start your day. Low fat, high fiber, packed with vitamins, tasty and healthy. Sold by all good supermarkets. Now, you have a task. You need to answer the following questions in your notebooks. What is the advertisement selling? Who is the advertisement aimed at? What is the name of the cereal trying to tell you? Why does it say that all good supermarkets sell this product? What particular words in the advertisement might persuade parents to buy the cereal? Why do you think the advertiser used a rhyme? Healthy way to start your day. Okay, when you're done answering, you need to open the end of unit revision sheet, which is attached in this folder. Read the blue boxes in the sheets to refresh your minds. Start solving them in your notebooks. Start a timer and tell me how long did it take you to finish your assignment. Okay, after you're done with that, you need to log in into your Literacy Planet account for some online tasks. You're going to be looking for these floating words, spell the word that has to do with spelling. The Arctic Circle is an online comprehension. Commas is punctuation, and complex sentences is grammar. Here is the link to help you log in. This is your success criteria. I can solve assignments related to the topics covered in Unit 16. Your tasks, as we discussed, is that you need to solve the assignment sheets and complete the Literacy Planet tasks. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.